Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting pairing now. With the case charged and the lid open, enable Bluetooth on your device and keep the beats within a few inches. On iPhone, bring the phone close and wait for the beats pop-up. On Android, open settings Bluetooth so the phone can scan. Do this immediately. It primes both devices to discover each other. Once your device detects the headphones, you'll move to an active pairing step. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off to avoid conflicts. Now initiate the actual connection. If you're on iPhone, tap the on-screen Beats card and follow prompts. The phone handles authentication automatically. If you're on Android, press and hold the small button on the case until the LED blinks, then select Beats Fit Pro from available devices. Once selected, wait for the connected status. You'll hear a tone in the earbuds. Make sure any requested permissions, like access to media, are allowed so audio and controls work correctly. Finish by testing playback and the onboard controls. Play a short clip and try pause/play or volume if available. Install the Beats app or check firmware updates to improve stability and features. If pairing fails, close the case, wait 10 seconds, then reopen. If still failing, reset the earbuds by holding the case button for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes, then retry pairing. If problems persist, unpair the device and reboot your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.